For this tutorial, we are going to be making animal collages with magazines and glue. But first, let's talk a bit about color theory with tints and shades, so we are prepared for the project. Color hues are pure colors with no white, black, or gray added. But the word tones refers to the tonal value of a color. To get different tones, you add black or gray or whites to your hues. When we do this, we can alter the tonal value of any color. We talk about tone of hue, we are referring to how dark or light it appears to the eye. Tonal value scale ranges from pure white to pure black, with every hue values of grays in between. The skill where you need to understand tonal value and how to decipher what color belongs with what grayscale is the key to success for this project. The colors that fit nicely in the darker low tones or shaded tones are often dark blues, dark purples, dark greens, but you can get a deep dark red in that tone area as well. Midtones can vary in color but are lighter than the low tones. Highlights or high tones are tints and have a lot of white mixed into them. Now let's jump into our animal collage project. The materials that are going to be needed for this project are magazines, scissors, glue sticks, an 11x17 black and white image of your animal, and this can be your own pet if you want even. Also a large black cardstock backing to mount your picture onto for support. You will be working on finding the tonal zones within your piece, while also deciding what fun colors would work best with your piece. Find colors that fit within the ranges of your midtones, also your high tones or highlight areas, and your low tone shaded areas. Find your colors and begin cutting them out. You don't have to do it all at once though, so maybe try 2 colors at a time and save your cutouts in small Ziploc bags. There are 2 methods for this collaging style that you can use, either cutting or ripping. Cutting paper into neat shapes makes your work look more organized. Or you can rip and tear your pieces, which leaves a bit of white around some of the edges. Here are 2 collage examples. One is mostly cut with scissors, while the other is torn and ripped. Both are effective choices. Now it's time to cut out your paper and glue it right onto the black and white image that you have printed out by 11x17. This project is focused on color understanding, so no image drawing is needed. But if you want to challenge yourself and draw an image first, looking for those nuances of value shifts, then drawing can be an added level for you as an artist. But for this project, you will place the tonal value down in the correct spot and glue it right on top of your printed image. Look for the proper color tone that fits within the gray scale. The more attention to detail in your work, the stronger the results. Here, I'm just working on my background where you can see 3 or 4 ranges of values here. I'm going to add a warmer background because it contrasts with the cooler color scheme that I have with my wolf on the inside of its face. It's hard to tell in the video, but the color I'm adding to the dark area is a really dark reddish color. Here are some student examples that have completed their animal collages. Here again is one that was cut out versus one that is torn. Both students have gotten beautiful results. You can be creative with color in your background, choosing however you want it to look. Alright, well thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you're excited to try your own animal collage.